Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, I'm Mabel. I create content around fashion, beauty and lifestyle. So if you love any of that, consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video. And for my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, in this video, as you can tell already from the title here, we will be doing what fits in my Constant 18. And yes, so actually the video I did last week where I unboxed, and I also asked a question that if you guys want me to do a video what fits in, and yes, so I got a reply. I think I got one reply on the comment section, and some of you also DM me on Instagram, which I will be reading. So, and I got this from Joycey. Joycey said, "Hi Mabel, I'm your subby on YouTube. Love your videos. They inspired me for my MS journey. I'm planning to get a Constant 18 as well, but I live in Thailand and a Constant 18 is counted as a quarter bag here in Thailand. Would you mind to share your pre-spend in order to get your Constant 18 in a tube? Thank you so much." Okay, so the stickers are still on it. Like, oh my god, like I don't want to take it off right now. So, and I also have something noted, just should the case, you know, I'm looking down and just know that, yeah. And also, like, I don't want to forget anything, so I just have some of the things like pros, cons, and yes, so you can definitely see it when you start wearing it. When you just keep it and you've never start wearing it, like, you won't really see how it's, you know, the pros and cons. I think that's so obvious even when you have it a day, like you can already tell the pros and cons. And also my pre-spending as well, so I have them written here. So yeah, you know, my first point is my height. I'm 167 and it really feels so frame, and you know, just depend on the way I'm wearing, carrying her. And yeah, I love the Constant because it's a classy, elegant and sophisticated bag, like you can tell. Just love this robustness robustness, you can call, you know, really robust, and I love that. I love the Constant because it's very classy, elegant and sophisticated bag. It's very robust, which I love so much. It's very spacious. A lot of things can fit inside. It's a very durable bag because of the beautiful Epsom leather. You know, like I said, I haven't really have the courage of taking the stickers off. I know once you take the stickers off, like, just be ready to see those beautiful scratches. Like, you can't just dodge it, you know. It's normal for the Constant bag. Sometimes you won't even know how it happens. Maybe you want to some of the problem, maybe you want to hop on and then you use the, is it the glass, I will call it, yeah, I always call it glass. You just use it to scratch the metal. You can put both strap inside and then wear it as a pouch, just like this. If you want to put both strap on the inside, if you want to wear it. I know some of you will like, oh my god, what is she doing? Actually, just, you can actually, you know, just have it this way. You know, you can actually just have it this way. Just depends. So this, it all depends on you, how you want to carry her. And yeah, so, you know, so it's very easy. Just should, in case you want to wear it as a pouch, you just need to pull the strap inside, and yeah, so you're ready to go, ready to rock. And yes, so and you can also wear the bag as a shoulder bag, which you guys know already. You can wear it as a shoulder bag, you can wear it as a crossbody bag. You can also double the strap and wear it double on your shoulder. So the crossbody, like you can also add a pop of color by using twillies and all of that. My essay taught me in the store, you know, maybe just like this. Like I can't really, like I really try using a twilly, but I was not really able to. So she wrapped the twilly here, so you can actually hold like this, you know, it's open. Okay, you can actually hold like this and it's stable, you know, so you can actually hold, but the only thing you will have is this, you have it hanging, or you can put this on the inside. So just depend on you, but I would prefer when this is on the inside and then you just have, you know, let's just assume it's like this and you have this pop of colors with your twillies, and that's really amazing, you know. This has a 2 gusset, 1, 2 gussets. You say compartment, no, 1 and 2. So you will also see it here, that's 1 and 2. So let's go to the cons of the Constance 18. The cons of the C18, it crashes easily, difficult to go in and out. Yeah, my Constance to go is very easy for me to go in and out, and yeah, so I don't really have problem with that. But this is really difficult, like you just have to have short nails, it can scratch the leather, so you just have to be patient and easy. I know you guys will say, how will you buy a bag, and you're just thinking of how to open it easily, but if you really love your things and you want to handle it with care, why not? How can you spend a whole lot of money and then you just want to grab it and do it anyhow? I don't understand. So I'm quite different. I just handle my things with care, you know. I'm just covering it this way, you know. It's like you're putting it at the middle here, I think, you know, at the middle here, and then you press it together, you know. Yeah, I think it's much better. If you don't want to create any scratch, you open it this way and then you go. If you want to create scratch, you can go ahead and just open it with your, you know, fingertips or whatever is your own cup of tea. So it's not secured when you have little things in the back like coins, eyeliner, 18 lipstick or gloss. Yes, and smaller, and even coins can fall out, you know, so you have to be very conscious of that for you not to. It has a very sensitive leather on the flap, and I think she mentioned that was a Swift leather. The interior, you know, this interior leather, like this is very soft and sensitive, like very soft and sensitive, so you have to be careful, you know. I don't know how I can be able to be careful with this, and on the inside as well, very sensitive leather on the inside. And now let's come to the pre-spending. So the pre-spending was not really much. Like I've never really focused on Hermes pre-spending, like no, I just go ahead and get, you know, that thing that I really want, and I've never really focused until I received this DM on my Instagram. And yes, so this year 2023, my pre-spending got the Hermes Kelly belt, a pop-up book, you know, and then I went ahead and got a Chypre in rose and black. I got the mini Evelyn. I got the mini Evelyn in gold. Is it gold or Amazon? I got the mini Evelyn in gold, and then I got a twilly and a sham. I think we're almost 5. A belt, a book, Chypre sandals, mini Evelyn, a twilly, and a sham. 6. And then yes, so bridal bracket bag, and yes, so in this beautiful neutral color, and you guys know how much I love neutrals. So I ordered that 7, and I got a present for my brother on his birthday. That makes it 8. I don't know if you have to really spend that much to get something from OEM. You know, just imagine that. I wish I removed the stickers. You see what would have happened on another fast scratches. So actually, you know, and yeah, so I don't know if to say I agree with the one-on-one ratio. I don't know, and the only advice I can give is please buy those things you really need. Buy those things you really, because there is no need because you want to get a backhand, so you have to buy shoes that you're not really happy with. You have to buy things that you're not really happy with, all in the name of, you know, you want to make up to the task. And at the end of the day, you have Kelly, and then you have those thousands of things in your house that you're not really using. So I think it's not good, because somebody else will be so happy to get those beautiful colors that you were offered, and you took them, and inside of you, you know, you don't really like them, but just to build that relationship, you know, and you took them. I think I would rather say stop, don't do that, you know. Go for what you really want. If it even takes you maybe 2 times to visit Hermes store and to get something that you really want, do that than getting thousands of things, and at the end of the day you will spend 20-30k, and then you will get a Constant or a Birkin or a Kelly offered. Just imagine how much you spend, how much free spending, and these are things you spend on that you don't really like. So go for those things that you really like, that you will really rock. I do everything in the city. I'm a city girl, so I'm always there. So sometimes I even go to the store, I carry a normal Annie Bank bag, and I don't care because they know already I love their things. But there are some situations I just need my Annie Bank bag. I don't need a Constant, because a Constant is not going to fit much. A Constant is not going to fit my laptop. My Annie Bank bag is going to fit my laptop, you know. And if you want something for a laptop, I don't want to spend 3,000 something for a garden party just to put my laptop, you know, and it has no strap. So I'm gonna open it so you guys will see what fits in. And yes, so pulled all my daily essentials that, yeah, I can always need when I'm out, and also when I'm with the kids as well. So we go. This is everything that I have. And yes, so but as time goes on, I'm gonna get a smaller hand cream. And then I have the wipes. So I have my sunglasses, my lipstick, and yes, so able to fit in. So lovely, so we've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys love this video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and also do follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. So see you all on my next video, and that's gonna be a Massimo Dutti try on all. And yes, so see you. Bye.